Now today my subject is EVS as you know, and chapter number 6 it is our neighborhood. Our neighborhood. Okay. So what do you mean by the term neighborhood? Yes, we all live in neighborhood. That means we live with our family in a house, and many other families also stay nearby our house. So those people are called our neighbors who stay beside us. What I have understood by the term neighborhood? Neighbor means वो लोग जो आपके घर के पास में रहते हैं, means पड़ोसी, with whom you celebrate many festivals and occasions together. Okay, like we all live with a family, and many more people also stay with their family beside our houses. So the people around us who stay around our house, they are called our neighbors, and these people help us when we need them. So before our relatives come and our friend come, these neighbors help us in the emergency. So neighbors play a very important role in our life. So neighborhood. So what do you know about the services of the neighborhood? Come, let us see the services of our neighborhood. It is the market where you purchase your things. Next one is the hospital where you can find doctors and nurses. Then it is the police station where you can see policemen and policewomen performing their duties, right? Next is the bank where we save our money. Next is the fire station. These people help us when there is a fire. Next is the post office. As I taught in my earlier video, postman works in the post office and delivers letters. And the last one is the park where you go to freshen up. Come, now let's learn in detail. As I have taught you earlier about the neighborhood services, come let's learn about the market. So this picture, I think you must know it's about the market. So what is the term market? Market means it is a place where you can purchase all sort of things like vegetables, fruit, pulses, and milk, eggs, medicines, whatever you like. The things which you need at your home, you all can purchase it from these markets. So this market is a service of your neighborhood. Okay, so you can go and purchase the daily needs of your day-to-day life from the market. The next is the hospital. Here in this hospital, you can find doctors and nurses. Have you ever been to hospital? Yes. So there you can find nurses and doctors giving out services or treating the patients who are sick. So when you are sick, you go to a hospital and find out a doctor and ask him about your health issues. So he would provide you certain medicines and injections to keep you fit, and he used to advise you what to do and what not to do to keep you fit. And nurses also give you the better service like the doctor. So here in hospitals, when you feel sick, so you visit a hospital and you can ask for medicine to a doctor to stay fit. The next service provided from a neighborhood is the police station. This is the office of our local police. हमारे जो पुलिस कहाँ रहते हैं, उनका ऑफिस कहाँ है? Yes, it is the police station. Here policemen work and they follow the rules and they keep ensure that we people follow the rules and stay happily and peacefully with each other. So they used to protect us from thieves and robbers also. So whenever something happens wrong in our neighborhood or somewhere in the city or nearby our house, the policemen guard us and they protect us from the thieves and robbers, and they also ensure that we also follow the rules and live peacefully with each other. कुछ भी गलत होता है, so policemen हमारी मदद के लिए हमेशा तैयार रहते हैं. So I have taught you the concept of the lesson. So as I have taught you, let's come read from the textbook. It is number 6, our neighborhood. The people who live near our house are our neighbors. जैसे आपको सिखाया था मैंने, जो लोग हमारे घर के पास में रहते हैं वो कौन है? यस, हमारे पड़ोसी, मीन्स नेबर्स. द स्पेलिंग है NEIGHBOURS. नेबर्स मीन्स पड़ोसी. नियर आवर हाउस मतलब हमारे घर के पास में. We also have places like markets, hospitals, schools and banks. हमारे घर के पास में हमके क्या क्या है? मार्केट्स हैं, MARKET, मार्केट, हॉस्पिटल्स, schools and banks. The people who live in an area and the places in it, जो लोग इन जगहों के आसपास रहते हैं, तो make up the neighborhood. तो ये क्या बनाते हैं? Neighborhood बनाते हैं. The chapter's name, as you know, it is the neighborhood. Okay. Next, places in our neighborhood. So now here we are going to about the places in our neighborhood according to the textbook. There are many important places in our neighborhood. आपको पता है बहुत सारे places है जो हमारी लाइफ के लिए बहुत important है. Let us now read about the different places that are usually found in our neighborhood. चलिए हम अलग अलग प्लेसों के बारे में जानकारी लेते हैं, अलग अलग जगहों के बारे में. First one is the market. What do we buy from the market? It is a milk, fruits, vegetables, pulses, eggs, medicines, books, everything. We buy milk, fruits, vegetables, pulses, medicines and other things for everyday use. We buy them from the shops and stalls in the neighborhood market. हमारे घर के पास में जो भी शॉप्स अवेलेबल है, so there you can go and purchase. आपके जो भी डेली यूज की जो सामान है वो हमें कहाँ मिलते हैं? Yes, it's from the market. The next one is the hospital. We go to the nearest hospital or clinic. The clinic is over here, CLINIC, clinic, and as we learned about the pulses is DAL, PULSES, pulses. And this you know, it's at the bank, BANKS, bank. We go to the nearest hospital or clinic when we get hurt. जब हमें चोट लगती है या जब हम बीमार होते हैं तो हम कहाँ जाते हैं? Yes, to the hospital. It is here, HURT, hurt. Okay. The doctors and the nurses in the hospital give us medicine. So these both treat you when you get hurt or when you are sick. Take care of us and help us get well. हमारा ध्यान देते हैं और ये देखते हैं ताकि हम जल्द से जल्द ठीक हो जाए. Next service of a neighborhood is the police station. A police station is the office of the local police. As you know, this is the office of the local police. Local means the people which you are seeing nearby you. The police help to keep our neighborhood safe from thieves and robbers. From thieves and robbers, that is चोर और लुटेरों से हमारी रक्षा करते हैं. कौन? पुलिसमैन. They make sure that people follow rules and live peacefully with each other. ये इनकी ड्यूटी है. So they are supposed to follow the rules and even we are supposed to follow the rules and make a society peace, and we are supposed to live peacefully with each other. In police station, people can go and complain about the wrong things. If something is happening wrong nearby you, so you can go and complain them. So they will take action and keep you safe. The full form of the police, as I have written here, P stands for public, officer, legal, investigations and criminal emergency. This is the full form of police. P stands for public, O stands for officer, L stands for legal, I stands for investigations, C stands for criminal and E stands for emergency. So policemen play a major role in our day-to-day life. So let me revise you once again the first service of our neighborhood. The first service is about the market, where you can purchase your day-to-day needs like fruits, vegetables, pulses, eggs, books, notebooks and whatever you need in your day-to-day life, you can shop them from the market. The next one was the hospital. So here in hospital, you can find doctors and nurses. They are here to make you fit when you are sick. Okay. So when you are not well, you go to a doctor and ask him for the medicines. And he also advises you what to do and what not to do to keep yourself fit. They also play an important role in our day-to-day life. And next one was the police station, where it is the office of the local police. And this is the full form as I have taught you. Refer this video and we will interact you soon on our online session for further queries and homework. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.